we ask you to affirm joyfully, I call the white light of Source. And you open your hearts in love and gratitude. As the white light of Source creates a column of light, 11 meters or so in diameter, streaming from an infinite source above you, illuminating the crystal beds of Gaia below you. And you notice within that column of light that you are vertically connected. You have entered an inside space. For you are in a portal, an interdimensional portal. And you may use the Prana tube activation mudra if you choose. This assists you as your fingers work as antennae into above and below. Smile, opening your hearts further as you bathe in these wonderful translucent colors within the white light. There is a sense of angelic wings fluttering the energy within your column of light as the angels come into the space to assist your process of vertical connection and of creating an interdimensional portal. We ask you to place both hands on your heart center now, affirming joyfully, I call for triple heart activation now. And you see, first of all, the emerald green of Anahata, your personal heart, exploding open, spilling into your auric field. And then you see the higher heart, rose pink, fragrant, soft clouds of rose pink entering your body, your chest space, and finally your auric field. And you place your hands in the one heart mudra now, making a heart shape with your first fingers and thumbs over your heart, connecting your middle fingers and allowing the others to fly with the angelic wings of the one heart. You notice that above the heart shape there is a diamond, and this diamond represents the crystalline turquoise diamond energy frequency of your one heart. And just like that, you are resonating with each other. You are in full one heart activation now, and you may relax your hands. Spend some moments now simply focusing on these three heart colors within your column of light. focus on the green, the pink, and finally the more subtle but utterly beautiful diamond turquoise. And the diamond turquoise gradually fills your consciousness. And you begin to feel more crystalline in your energy, more subtle. Your awareness of your physical body is not as strong as your sense of physicality melds with the crystalline frequencies in your auric field. You affirm joyfully, I am a crystalline angelic being of light. Here to serve the light tribe of Gaia. And a wave of love, gratitude, joy flows through you, bringing tears to some. Feeling the crystalline angelic wings of your angelic higher self unfurling between your shoulder blades now. And holding this sense of yourself as an angelic being in your consciousness. And observing that your auric field starts to feel cramped as you hold this energy. And you affirm joyfully, I expand my aura now. And you allow your aura to expand, front and back, left and right, above and below. Making sure that if you need to make your column of light bigger, then it is easy and natural to do so. For your auric field will always be contained within the column of light. And now, instead of grounding yourselves in the normal way, you are going to call for Prana tube activation. And instead of grounding from the second or first chakra down, you are going to ground yourself from your heart down through the solar plexus, belly and root chakras, through the Earth Star portal at the bottom of your aura, simultaneously sending your Prana tube up through from your heart, through your throat, your third eye, crown, and through the cosmic star portal at the top. Once again using the Prana tube activation mudra. Affirming joyfully, I call for Prana tube activation now. Once again, this is done with love and gratitude, allowing that crystalline breathing energy to reach up through the top of your aura, noticing how the cosmic star portal opens automatically and your Prana tube spins up through all dimensions into the heart of the galaxy, plugging in. And from your heart, your prana tube moves effortlessly through the lower chakras and through the Earth Star portal at the bottom of your aura, plugging into the core crystal in the center of your planet. And you may use any version of the diamond mudra now, facing the diamond either up or down, letting your body decide which is better for you in this moment. When there is more grounding needed, the forefingers point down. And when there is more upper connection needed, the forefingers point up. And you may reverse them from time to time as you choose. And we ask you to start with the Ujjayi breath now, slowing your breath down by a slight compression in the back of your throat, breathing through your nose only, allowing the sound of the ocean waves to come from your throat. So you slow down and deepen your breath, moving fully into awareness of your breath. And with every in-breath, you watch the light of Source and the light of the core crystal coming into your heart through the prana tube. You are breathing energy in from above and below into your heart. And with your out breath, you are sending this light out into your auric field. Breathing Shiva Kundalini in from above into your heart. And Shakti Kundalini in from below into your heart with your in-breath. And with your out-breath, smiling in delight as you see these potent energies moving into your auric field. Charging, charging, charging your auric field. Your heart becomes charged beyond measure as you consciously draw energies in from above and below, into your heart space, into your chest. And just when it feels like your chest space can't take any more light, you let it flow, explode out through your body into your auric field, making your auric field bigger if needs be. And you may say out loud, without second guessing, how many meters your aura is in diameter right now. And this helps you to keep a focus on your auric field and on the column of light. We wish you to hold them intact. Hold the visualization intact. You still see the column of light that you called. You still see the core crystal and the great central sun. You still see your auric field charged and expanded. And now you see the wonderful crystalline Prana tube running through all 13 chakras. And you are consciously breathing energy in through your Prana tube from above and below, into your heart and out from your heart with the exhalation into your auric field. Your aura is now charged with a beautiful angelic light. And you in the center, a golden angel with wings, truly feeling yourself as a crystalline angel, your triple heart activated. And in this one heart activated state, you move into resonance with all your brothers and sisters. All of those who are taking part live now, and those who take part in the future timeline. You are one with all of these. You feel yourself resonating with each other. And you expand your awareness now to the greater world, where you are resonating with all others on your planet also, those who are awakened and who have their one heart activated. This means that you are in tune with many, many young babies and children, in whom the one heart is naturally activated. And they receive a blessing in this moment. The blessing of being seen, being felt, and by their star brothers and sisters on the planet. And this is a wonderful thing, is it not? To shine your light and feel the highest energy that you can transmit at this moment, beaming out from you across your globe to all other beings. There is a grid activated from your one heart to all the other one hearts that are activated. It is a grid of awakeners, an awakeners grid. And one of the most important light grids to keep in your consciousness right now. For you are fulfilling a contract written eons ago to come into this reality at this time, to be of assistance to your light tribe in the materialization, the success of the divine plan for ascension on your planet. And so we leave you with great love. We bid you adieu.